Hey guys, welcome back to RMA Garage. I'm Mark, and in today's video we are cleaning the rear caliper, the front caliper, and the handlebars. Really not much going on, still winter time, and I thought I'd make this video just for the fun of it. There are a couple of explanations towards the end of the video on how I clean and lubricate the throttle tube, how I make sure that things are working smoothly, and reassembling the handlebars. Alright, so we have the throttle tube completely disassembled. We got the cables hanging here. I've got the housings sitting on the bench here that have been cleaned. So the next step is going to be lubricating the throttle tube on the handlebar, and then lubricating the cables that go around the throttle tube as well. So we're going to definitely do that, and we're going to start putting it back together. Okay, we are just about finished. I haven't attached any of the controls completely yet, but we are ready to torque down the handlebars. You want the gap here and the gap in the back to be the same. I am stopping this video because my father-in-law once said, when all else fails, read the directions. Well, I didn't have a fail, but I did read the directions after installing the handlebars and noticed that the clamp is different. One leg is a little bit longer than the other, and there's also a stamp mark on the clamp. Now, when you read the directions, it says the upper handlebar holders should be installed with the punch marks facing forward. Well, I took mine off, and guess what? They're not facing forward, they're facing backward. So the first thing we have to do is turn these around. So both stamp marks are facing forward. Okay. So the directions say, first tighten the bolts on the front side of the upper handlebar holder and then on the rear side. I didn't do that either. I thought you had to do them both at the same time, making sure the gaps are even. But clearly, I was wrong. So that is what we are going to do. I now have the clamps turned around, and I want to show you there is no gap on the front, which is the way it's supposed to be. You're supposed to tighten these bolts up first, and then we tighten the back. Obviously the back's going to have a decent gap, which is the way it's supposed to be installed. Now I'm thinking that we have to torque the front first, and then we torque the rear. The directions don't say that, but I would think that's what you'd want to do. Alright, so as you can see, there is definitely a gap here, and there is no gap in the front, and that's how they're supposed to be installed. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.